Trumpets Prepper. Guys, in this video tonight, it's time for an Apocabox review. This month, during the winter, I have no idea what the contents are. So we'll definitely find out as we go. But if you've not checked out Apocabox, check them out at myApocabox.com. Okay? Alright, so with that said, let's take a little look at it and see what it says. The theme this month is tool and tool maintenance. If you take care of your tools, they will take care of you. Enclosed is an assortment of quality items to help you build out your tool maintenance kit. Also included is a Apocabox knife kit, which will be a valuable addition to your tool assortment. All right, so let's begin. The first thing we've got is a tool maintenance desk mat. Let's take a peek at this. Oh, I love that. Hold on just a second, guys. Let me take and cut us an entry here. Let's look at a couple of the knives, all right, that I like. All right, first off, the number one that I like is Tonto. Okay, I've always liked a dagger. There's a couple here. The narrow traditional, that's old school fixed blade. There's a couple nice ones there. So anyway, there's the tops, the tops of knives and the parts of a knife. Okay, very cool mat to go on your table there. All right. Next up we have a multi-function sharpener. Let me find that. Here we go. Just a second to get this open. There you go. Diamond. Got a carbide ceramic. Set the proper angle there, and then you've got a diamond tapered, so if you've got a serrated knife, you can definitely work that over as well. Thumb hole there, pull through, definitely sharpen some knives up. I know we all have some knives that we could use sharpening to. So there's that. Next up, we have a field maintenance bag. I imagine that's this right here. Field tool maintenance kit. Right there, Apocabox. You can roll up everything. You can even roll up the mat and put in there, which I imagine is probably the intent, being the size of that. Now, next up, we've got a double-sided bench strop. This strop will put amazing finishing touches on your newly crafted knife. In conjunction with the diamond paste, this strop will allow you to get your blade perfectly straightened and home to razor sharp edge. After some preliminary sharpening, if you aren't entirely familiar with how to use the strop, stay tuned for Creek's upcoming live webinar on utilizing the strop and some other implements from your box. Now right here is the double-sided strop, okay? And it also fits in your tool care bag, right there. Now, next up, we have the diamond paste syringe. This abrasive diamond paste, perfect medium to use with your double-sided bench strop. Simply spread a small amount of the soil-soluble paste on your strop to create a sharpening surface, perfect for drawing a shaving, sharp razor's edge to an already sharp blade on a knife. Okay, right here is the diamond paste to go in your tool care bag. And next up, we have, let's see, a rock and roll sharpener. I've never seen this type of sharpener before. I thought it was really unique, and that's why I included it for you to see and use. The rough grinding stone can make quick work of ragged and abused blades. Simply use the rolling sharpener on a flat, solid surface, and then place your knife blade between the stone and one of the rolling wheels, and then push and pull the blade back and forth. Roll the sharpener. This rolling action sharpens the blade. Right here is the rolling sharpener. Check that little thing out. It's neat. It says you just place that on a flat, solid surface and then place your knife between the stone and one of the rolling wheels. As so. And like right here, have this Gerber. It's been used, it's dulled. That is epic. And now we'll swap up this side. That's actually really, really cool. I've never seen anything like that. It's being very ingenuity. So anyway. Gonna need something a little bit more stiff. For those who crave knowledge, survival skills of the month.com. That's by Creek. Let's try to cut that. It needs a little bit more, but shoot, yeah, that's really cool, guys. Really cool. Anyway, you get the gist of it, right? So, anywho, we've got an Abraham Lincoln patch. The patch really does say it all. Work smart, not hard. See what it says? Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Abraham Lincoln. That's a cool little tactical patch. Leave that right there. And let's see what we got else. We've got a 4-way rasp. All right. Right there you go. I'll tell you what, that comes in handy for a lot of things. I use file and stuff out in the field doing electrical work all the time on conduit, things like that. But you can never get enough out of having a file around for so many various different applications. There you go. That's 4-way on that. All right, and then we've got a buffalo, a handmade buffalo bone whistle is hand-carved, compact, and most importantly loud. It's dual-ended, so it's really 2 whistles on one. Each end sounds a different pitch. This is a great rescue tool to have amongst your gear. Get creative and use a leather strap or some paracord to make it into a necklace. This is a whistle for those who appreciate quality and craftsmanship using natural mediums. I'm sorry. And that is buffalo bone. That is really cool. Very cool. Love the patterning of it. It's very nice. Survival whistle. And lastly, we've got the skills challenge this month, which is the kit knife. First, you have to use the enclosed 4-way rasp to shape the beech handles to your liking. Second, you'll need to heat and form the kydex sheath to fit the blade. Third, you have to use the tools in your kit to do the final sharpening of the knife. Below is a video link where I walk through every step in detail. And so let's open the knife. Oh, that's beautiful right there. And let's see what we've got. It's a good project for cold winter's day. Do not want to cut my hand. And there's the sheath. And here's the blade. So right there, rasp the handles down like so. And then sharpen the blade. And yeah, it's really cool, guys. And it's got instructions right there, all right, on how to do everything. But yeah, you can make your own little knife, and right there. So guys, that's the contents of the Apocabox this month. Is we've got the strop, abrasive lubricant there, a 4-sided file, okay, and we've got 2 sharpeners, survival whistle, very cool tactical patch, and a make your own knife. So pretty nice little box this month for the Apocabox. And definitely want to make sure to check out the skill challenge videos. It's mypocketbox.com/the month. And you can check it out right there. So guys, anyway, as always, love doing these gear reviews, checking out new stuff, and just learning new things. This is really cool. Just the neat little things that people think of. Very, very cool. So guys, till we see you again here at 7 Tournaments Prepper Channel, as always, I hope you have a most blessed day. And Yahushua.